So I'm really impressed, when teams are able to come together with this more conceptual background and then really make it real for us. So appreciate it. And I'm so curious. I mean, I know your hair's on fire right now. You're launching a new update, and you're doing a lot of like on the ground, kind of in the weed stuff. But I'm curious what the blue sky vision still is, or how much you can share even of this, because like listening for years to people like Ken Perlin and Brett Victor and, all the work that everyone's doing and kind of the thought realm. But man, once you guys are in the middle of being able to build it, what are you working on?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I think Roni does a really good job of articulating kind of our company vision, and one of those sort of pillars and north stars is this idea of like the Magicverse. And so I think being able to share, landscapes of digital content together, and being able to have presence of it together, like with that digital content, when we're far away, save the time and the money on plane tickets and things to be able to do things together. That's how we kind of imagine avatars fitting into a broader vision of shared activity and spatial computing and mixed reality. Again, whether distant and sort of embodied as avatars, or in the same place doing things together with digital content in the physical world.